Hi everyone, welcome to this summer weather and welcome to this channel Fluent Odisha. So now we both are in our offline coaching. Here we are going to have a discussion on this spoken English because as you know that we have already started our offline batch, or we have already established our spoken English coaching center in Titlagad. So if you are near Titlagad, then definitely you can come and join this Fluent Odisha, where you are going to a lot of things, guys. Like where you are going to learn many things. Which things you see on YouTube in different videos, like how they do activities, how they do their modulation practice, and how they practice their spoken English practice. So similarly, guys, here we are going to provide it. It's like this, honestly, this is guarantee, guys. Like you can't say that we are only throwing our words. But okay, let it go. First of all, let's talk something that what we are going to talk here today. So, guys, as you know that I am Rudra Tharwa, and here my partner is sitting with me, beside me, close to me. He is none other than Mr.
Pradeep
Someone,
Huika.
Mr. Pradeep Huika. So he is from Rayoda. He is my partner. He has associated, or he is associating with me in this journey. So I'm so grateful for you, brother. Thank you so much for supporting, and thank you so much for being here in our Western Odisha, in this hottest city. So guys, well, now we both are sitting in our institute. Here we have not set up everything, guys, like the electricity, the fan, the everything. Because you know, in a couple of days we will cover all of these things. We will set up all of these things. But for the timing, of course, this is empty right now. We both are only sitting here. So, brother, how are you feeling here? Like, what's your thought about our teaching, about our spoken English skill?
First of all, I want to tell you, bro, it is too hot.
Yeah, I admit. First thing, you are not going to get this environment again in the future. Right now, we have not set up these all things. That's why this is hot. Again, if you come to this institute, then you will not face this problem. That time we will have electricity, we will have that fan. So now just try to tolerate it. So let's talk about something regarding English. So what do you think? Like if students come to this institute, can they learn English?
Yeah, obviously they can learn like fluently as you are speaking like how you are speaking
Huh.
fluently in English like
Huh.
that. Obviously, if teacher is good, then definitely student will be good.
Okay, so what about you? Did you take coaching from somewhere, or you learned in different way?
No, I learned from different way. Like one, I had to coaching, online coaching, like through the phone, mobile, only course.
Online course.
That means
For
only
how many
course.
months?
There has no any video call also, not any
Only audio
videos,
call.
only audio.
Okay, so how long did you take that coaching?
I did 3 months, I think.
Only 3 months.
Only 3 months.
Okay, after that, how did you continue to stay consistent?
No, after that I did not stay consistent.
Yeah. Okay, but then also you were speaking in such a way as if you have been practicing this English since your birth.
Huh?
The way you are speaking right now, so it's not a basic English. Of course, you are in intermediate level. So how are you practicing your English? How are you improving?
I don't think I'm the mid level of English speaker because I feel like I'm speaking very cheap and lowest level of English. Yeah.
Oh,
I don't know people how they are listening, how I'm speaking. I don't know, but I basically I feel personally.
oh, I see.
And
See,
and one more and but the thing is I speak like little bit fluently because of you. You only guy who speak with me only in English. So that's the reason.
some credit Goods to me.
Yeah, all credit goes. Sorry, all credit goes to you. Okay.
Thank
Don't
you.
worry, because no one. I don't have any person to talk with in English.
Okay.
So because only you, the guy.
So see, most of the people talk about fluency. Some people define it. Fluency means to speak faster.
No.
But on the other hand, some other people say, like me, fluency means to speak in a way where we show our emotions in our words.
Yeah. Yes, that's the thing.
So what about you?
Yeah, fluency means not if you speak speedily, fast, very fast in English. That's not fluency. It means
That isn't called fluency.
fluency. That is not called fluency. If you can speak clearly